Hey guys, you know I'm a contester. Just love that. And I'd like to tell you about one of my favorite contests. Certainly it's in the top 5. It's happening this weekend, by the way. The North American QSO party is put on by the National Contest Journal, which is published by the ARRL for the contesting community. The NAQP comes in 3 flavors. There's CW, SSB phone, and RIDI. It's presented twice a year, once in the January-February timeline, so when it's cold, and then again in mid to late summer, which is when it's warm. This one is the summer RIDI NAQP. Another thing I love is RIDI contesting. So this gives you 6 chances to operate this contest. 3 different modes times 2. Starting this Saturday afternoon at 1800 Zulu. Now that's 2 p.m. Eastern Time, and going until 1:59 a.m. my local time. You'll want to adjust your time for your local time zone if it's not U.S. Eastern. This is a 12-hour long contest of which you can operate up to 10 hours if you're a single operator. If you're a multi-operator station, you can work the full 12 hours. So that's a point to the contest. You don't have to set aside the entire weekend for it, and you can still get a good night's sleep Saturday night. Maybe you enjoy a margarita while you're contesting. Point 2 for this contest is that the maximum power that can be used is 100 watts. That means that you can be competitive with a normal HF radio and a dipole antenna. There won't be any fighting against the big guns. You can use spotting assistance if you want to. That'll put you in a different category, but that's absolutely up to you. Finally, point 3 is the short exchange. It is simply your name and state or province for our Canadian friends. And the kicker, it doesn't even have to be your name. Now, you do have to use the same name throughout the contest, otherwise it would get really confusing. A couple of years ago, I heard someone using the name Rumpelstiltskin, and we were still doing some paper logs back then, so I hope people wrote the name down right. Not to worry, the guys who actually go through the logs take that sort of stuff into consideration. Also, a few years ago, when Leonard Nimoy passed, many people were using Spock as their name, and instead of saying goodbye or good luck at the end of the QSO, they would say LLAP, live long and prosper. Now let me take a little side note. If you're a ham, but you're not a trekker, maybe I need to question some of your other life choices. Just kidding. You get 1 point per contact, and the multipliers are the number of states you work per band. Now, here's the address for the full rules, which I have also included in a link down in the video description. I hope to hear you on during the contest. Make sure you say hi. And now I've been working all week to get my new radio set up with cat controls on my computer, and get the contesting software and the RIDI plugins all working with the new FT991A. Unfortunately, my Kenwood TS890 bit the dust, and it's on its way to the repair shop as we speak to get fixed. Hopefully it won't take too long and won't cost too much. I love that radio too. As always, feel free to ask any questions about this contest down in the comment section. And let us know how well you did in it. Remember, likes are free, and I would certainly appreciate one from you. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you'll know when new content is published. Always at your service, I'm Tom, ND3N, and thanks for stopping by for a Ham Shack chat. That's it. I'm out.